Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. I'm gonna change out the air filter on my 4th gen 4Runner. It's a V6, so how about we jump right into it? So we're gonna take off this hose. Next, take off these two clips right here. This is for your air filter. Oh, it's dirty. How's that K&N? I have a K&N air filter. That's extremely dirty. Well, I'll clean that, but I'll still put a regular air filter in for now so I can clean it and drive it. Now our air filter. Let's check this out. Oh, look at how clean that is. And I will be cleaning this and then putting it back on in the future. I just don't have time to clean it today and let it dry. Wow, that wind is strong. I started getting toasty. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Peace.